What's going on, guys? I'm here with the Jeep actually today, the turbo Jeep TJ 2.5 liter little baby right here. So what I just did right now actually is I'm gonna turn the exhaust up and put it through the hood, because I had it pointing down over here. It was running fine, but the problem is every time you were driving, it was extremely all the fumes would go inside the cab. Even if it's open, like it was pretty bad. Like I couldn't even drive it without smelling horrible, like gas. So what I'm gonna do, I just flipped it up and I'm actually gonna make a hole on the hood, so it looks cool too. So I'm gonna do that. That's the setup right there. No intercooler. I gotta put one, I think. I don't know, it's running fine, but I'll probably eventually put one. But yeah, probably do that hole through the hood and we'll see how it comes out. All right, so we just finished for now. I don't know how, I gotta get a bigger pipe to go out there, but that's the exhaust right there, boy. There's the turbo right there, boy. So we'll try it out now. Let's see. So I don't know how I feel about that. I'm probably gonna cut it off and then put those little dump tube things they put with metal. But here's a little rip so you guys can see. Stop the video there because some neighbor yelled at me because I was going too fast. I was going like 20 miles an hour. It's just loud. But here she is. She sounds good. I don't know if the fumes got worse. Oh well, looks cool. Add that little part there, cut that off with the little circle thing. It's a good look cleaner, but for now it's staying like that. There she is.